20 Minute Setswana, Grammar Note Section, Lesson 10. Welcome to this Grammar Note section in lesson number 10. Welcome, Mr. Johan Zerwig.
I'm happy to be here. Let's go to the Setswana lesson.
Yes, let's go to the next level. So today we're talking about adverbs and adjectives. Now, to the listeners, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a person. For instance, a big house. That big is an adjective.
Yeah, that's ntlo e kgolo.
Okay, well, in Setswana, there you have it. Ntlo e kgolo. But an adverb is a word that describes a verb or an action. So if I write fast or if I run fast, fast is an adverb. Okay, so that was just a little bit of a recap session. Now, in Setswana, I'd like to know what the difference is because Mpho and I were talking about, I speak Setswana a little bit. Now, the little there refers to how I speak Setswana, so that's an adverb. But I see that it's ganye, and I would just like some clarification on what's happening there.
Yeah, what's happening there is, you see, Kibua Setswana ganye. I talk a little bit of Setswana.
Okay.
So what you have there is, it's ga. That is called an adverbial prefix.
Okay.
You add that ga to the root, that's nye.
Okay.
That means a small little bit. So I talk Setswana ganye.
Okay.
So that's an adverb that explains that you are talking a little bit.
Okay. I walk fast.
Ke tsamaya ka lebelo.
Ka lebelo.
I
Okay.
walk fast. So what we are adding here, it's an adverb because it explains how you are walking. But this ka is actually, it has the inherent meaning of I walk with speed.
I understand.
Or I walk with fastness.
Yes.
So that ka, in the grammar, it is called the instrumental particle.
Now, do we have a pattern to know when to use a ga or when to use a ka, or should we just learn it off by heart?
It's different from the situations. It's the meaning.
Okay. For instance, if I were to say I speak slow, I wouldn't say ke bua ga bonya.
No, it does. You see, the meaning is lost then.
Oh, okay. So I would say ka bonya.
Kabonya.
All right. Okay. Difficult to translate it back into English. Is there another form of using adverbs?
For instance, if you use the words you count with, nngwe, pedi, tharo, those words, when you add a ga in front of them, ke tsamaya gabedi, I walk twice.
Okay.
Ke palama gararo, I climb up 3 times. So the meaning that causes you to use ka forces you to use ga.
Okay. So when using ka, the way I understand it, is more of you said it was an instrumental
Particle with power. Kibua kamata. I talk with power. So that with slowliness, with speed.
So if I work with, let's say, a knife, ke dira ka tipa.
Yeah, an adverb of instrument. And that one, you also use that same ka.
Okay.
Ke sega ka tipa.
I understand.
I cut
Okay.
with a knife.
Okay.
That describes the manner.
Yes.
It also has the meaning of with strength or with speed.
With something.
With something.
Okay.
That's the reason why you always use that ka.
Okay. Now let's get back to using nye as an adjective. So let's use an example from the first noun class and from the fifth noun class.
For instance, if I want to say the small boy,
Yes.
I would say mushimani yo munye.
Okay.
So you have that's the adjective. So I'm
The
explaining,
Yes.
the nye is now used to explain the noun boy.
Understand.
The small boy.
Okay.
Almost the same as the adjective roots.
Okay.
because nye is small. A small cow, kgomo e nnye.
I remember you're actually saying cow that is small. Okay. Now, a quick question. In this example of kgomo enye, it seems that a noun prefix wasn't added to the nye.
Okay, when it comes to the noun class,
The fifth noun clause.
yeah, the fifth class.
Okay.
We said that if you want to divide the nouns into the noun classes, you look at the first two letters.
Yes.
And if it doesn't fall into any of those classes, then you know it goes to the ne D class.
It automatically falls into that.
It automatically falls there.
Okay.
So the ne isn't in front of the noun. So the ne doesn't come in front of the adjective root.
So let's take a different example of a noun from the fifth noun class that starts with ne. Is there a noun like that?
No.
Not.
That ne
Okay.
is always in the grammar books. You'll see they put it in brackets.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
kgomo becomes dikgomo. And katsi, dikatsi. So there's no
Okay.
ka class.
Okay. And tafole becomes
Tafole,
ditafole.
ditafole. That's it.
So big table would be tafole e nye.
A small table.
Sorry, small table would be tafole e nye.
Nye.
With no added noun prefix to the adjective root.
Yeah, sometimes it causes sound changes when you have something like khulu.
Okay.
Khulu that's big.
Yes.
The big table. Tafole e khulu.
Oh, you added a K there.
What happened is when you put the ne in front of the adjective root, the ne doesn't go well with the neg.
Okay.
So the neg changes to khulu. That's the sound changes you have with some adjective roots.
Okay. In other words, a singular noun like kgomo, when using an adjective root, kholo, you have to add a K.
You don't add a k,
Okay.
but if you add, because if you form adjectives, you have to put in the class prefix of the noun.
Okay.
But if you put ne in front of kholo, then in Setswana it becomes kgomo e ne kholo. But there's no such sound combination in Setswana.
It sounds weird to a
Yeah,
Setswana
it sounds
speaker.
weird to a Setswana speaker.
Okay.
He would actually understand what you are saying, but he will immediately help you and say, no, you don't say kgomo e ne kholo. You must just say kgomo e kholo.
And does the same thing happen with table? Tafole e kholo.
That's 100%. So
Okay.
everything in the singular of the ne D class causes a lot of sound changes.
Okay. Will there, as I understand, K is not the only.
Yeah, there
are different sound
yeah,
changes.
there are different sound changes.
Okay.
When you add the ne in front of the roots.
Well, we'll cover this in future lessons. And in lessons to come, we'll gradually start introducing the rest of the noun classes. So I think we should stop here for today. I hope this has been useful. And we'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlela nako e e tlang.